Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of cleaning out of place, or COP, a crucial process led by Dr. S.K. Singh. We'll explore how COP plays a vital role in maintaining product quality and meeting good manufacturing practice standards. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at cleaning, a key part of good manufacturing practices, or GMP, and contamination control. One important method is cleaning out of place, or COP. This means taking equipment apart and cleaning each component separately, usually in special washing stations or tanks. The goal here is clear: remove product residues, get rid of any leftover cleaning agents, reduce microbes, prevent cross-contamination, and ultimately ensure product quality and patient safety. It's a crucial step in keeping everything safe and reliable. When it comes to COP systems, they're governed by a strict regulatory framework under global GMP standards. Key players include the World Health Organization, the FDA with its specific code sections, the European Medicines Agency, and several international bodies like PIC-S and ICH. What this means in practice is that manufacturers have to prove their cleaning methods reliably remove residues, every time, down to levels that are clearly defined and accepted. It's about consistency and safety, no compromises. Let's talk about typical clean-out-of-place applications. These usually involve smaller parts like tablet press components, filling machine parts, mixing blades, filters, containers, and transfer accessories. Now, when we compare COP to CIP, the differences become clear. COP requires disassembling equipment and more operator involvement, making it ideal for small, removable parts. CIP, on the other hand, cleans equipment in place, with minimal operator input, suited for larger systems like tanks and pipelines. Each method has its trade-offs in validation, water use, and cleaning verification. Let's break down the key components of a clean-out-of-place system. You'll find wash tanks, spray cabinets, and ultrasonic cleaning systems working together to remove residues effectively. Detergent dusing and hot water systems ensure the right cleaning agents and temperatures. Then, drying chambers and clean storage racks keep everything ready for the next use. On the design side, stainless steel construction is crucial, specifically SS316L, because it resists corrosion and contamination. Hygienic design means every surface is smooth and drainable, preventing buildup. Controlled spray coverage ensures every nook gets cleaned thoroughly. These features make the system both efficient and reliable. When it comes to cleaning, there are 4 key factors that work together to get the job done. This is known as the Sinner's Circle. These factors are chemical action, mechanical action, temperature, and time. Each one plays a crucial role, and it's the right balance between them that ensures cleaning is truly effective. If any one of these is off, the whole process can suffer. So, understanding and managing these 4 parameters is essential for optimal cleaning performance. Let's walk through the typical cleaning process flow for COP clean-out-of-place systems. It starts with equipment disassembly, followed by removing any gross residue. Then we move through a series of rinses and washes, pre-rinse, detergent wash, intermediate rinse, and a final purified water rinse. After drying, the equipment undergoes inspection before it's stored. Every step here isn't just best practice, it's a GMP requirement. That means each stage must be carefully documented and controlled through approved standard operating procedures. When choosing cleaning agents for clean-out-of-place systems, we look at several key factors. First, material compatibility. The cleaner must be safe for the surfaces we're treating. Then, residue removability. It has to get the job done without leaving anything behind. We also consider toxicological profiles and regulatory acceptance to ensure safety and compliance. Alkaline cleaners tackle proteins, organic residues, and oils. Acidic cleaners are great for mineral deposits and scale. Neutral detergents work best on sensitive surfaces. Each choice is about balancing effectiveness with care. When it comes to cleaning validation, the goal is clear. We need solid, documented proof that cleaning removes residues consistently, keeping them below set limits. To do this right, we focus on several key elements. We start with choosing the worst-case product, then design a smart sampling strategy. Analytical methods and acceptance criteria guide us, while recovery studies ensure accuracy. And of course, all of this follows strict guidelines from the European Medicines Agency, PIC-S, and the World Health Organization. This framework keeps our processes reliable and compliant. When it comes to cleaning processes, we need to prove they meet strict limits. Take this example. For drug A, the permitted daily exposure is 10 micrograms per day. From that, we calculate a residue limit, here, 5 micrograms per square centimeter. To validate cleaning, there are several common approaches. Health-based exposure limits are preferred by regulators. PDE-based limits focus on permitted daily exposure. The traditional 10 parts per million criterion is still used. Visual cleanliness is also a supplementary check, making sure everything looks right. When it comes to validating cleaning in a COP process, we rely on different sampling techniques. Swab sampling lets us target specific spots, measuring residue right where it matters most. Rinse sampling covers larger areas, even those tricky spots we can't reach with a swab. Most regulators prefer a combination of both. For example, with tablet compression tooling, we swab the punch faces and rinse the wash tank. This approach gives us a thorough picture of how clean everything really is. Let's talk about a risk-based approach to cleaning validation, guided by the International Council for Harmonization. We focus on critical risk factors, things like product potency, toxicity, solubility, equipment design, cleaning difficulty, and campaign production. These elements help us identify which products are high risk. For example, hormones, cytotoxic products, antibiotics, and biologics all demand extra care. They require enhanced cleaning controls and thorough validation to ensure safety and quality every time. When regulators review cleaning processes, they often spot the same issues again and again. These include inadequate cleaning validation, poor justification for residue limits, and missing recovery studies. Sometimes, cleaning records aren't complete, visual inspections fall short, or worst-case products haven't been properly validated. These gaps don't just stay on paper. They can lead to serious consequences like warning letters, GMP observations, product recalls, and even market restrictions. Understanding these common pitfalls is key to staying compliant and protecting both patients and your business. Let's dive into the emerging technologies shaping COP systems today. Industry 4 brings automation to the forefront, automated COP systems that work smarter, not harder. Smart sensors and conductivity monitoring give us real-time insights, while AI helps optimize cleaning like never before. Electronic batch records and predictive maintenance boost accuracy and cut downtime. Together, these innovations reduce variability, improve compliance, strengthen data integrity, and lower operational costs. It's a powerful shift towards smarter, more efficient cleaning processes. To wrap up, there are several critical factors that determine success in cleaning out-of-place processes. First, procedures must be scientifically designed and validated to meet GMP standards. We need risk-based residue limits and effective sampling strategies to guide our efforts. Data integrity and continuous monitoring are essential to keep everything on track. Regulators expect cleaning to consistently remove product, cleaning agents, and microbes to safe levels. When we get this right, we protect product quality, patient safety, and maintain compliance with global standards, all vital for pharmaceutical excellence. Thank you for joining me today. If you need any further support or have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate your time and attention, and I look forward to continuing the conversation. Thanks again. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.